Hello, my friends. It's Mrs. Mozingo here. It's time for Circle Time. This week I get to do Circle Time, and Mrs. Hill is doing the story. So let's go ahead and get started with the calendar. Last time I talked to you doing Circle Time, it was March, and it is April now. And today is April 6th. It's the 6th day of April. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. So, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. And today is the 6th day of April. That means it is Monday, April 6th, 2020. We have 3 more days of preschool online. We're not going to have preschool on Friday because it is Good Friday, and Monday because it is Easter Monday. So we will have today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday for preschool online. Let's take a look at the weather. Excuse me, what kind of weather do we have outside right now? Ooh, I heard sunny. It's nice and sunny outside today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? You think it's going to be cloudy? Rainy? Cloudy with sun? Sunny? It's definitely not going to snow. All right, I heard sun with some clouds. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Is everybody ready to say our alphabet? All right, let's say it together. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, now we're going to count to 15. Let's whisper. We're going to whisper and count to 15. Are you ready? Everybody has to whisper voices on. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent counting. Now let's go ahead and launch that rocket. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Woohoo! I'm looking at some shapes. Who can help me find? Let's go for the heart, because I am so happy and filled with love today. Where is that heart? Can you find it? There it is. What color is that heart? Pink is right. How about if we do our shape song? Is everybody ready to do our shape song? All right, let's go ahead and do our shape song. Shapes, angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Sing with me. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. Can you make a circle in the air with your arm? Make a circle. Ooh, trace that square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Sing it. Angles and lines that are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. Ready? Want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. That's what we like to do. What's this one? A rhombus. It's a rhombus or a, what's the other name for it? Diamond. That's right. Rhombus or diamond. Great job, friends. All right. Let's take a look at some colors. I have all different colors here. Let's find something that's black. Can you find something that's black? I see it over here. It is one of our favorite cookies. It's an Oreo. An Oreo cookie. Yum-a-roo. Our nursery rhyme this week is Jack be nimble. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Let's see. Jump.
Jack be nimble.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be spry. Jack jump over the apple pie. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up into the sky. Skipping, skipping like a kite. Bouncing, bouncing with delight. Every leap is leaping right. Jack is happy, Jack is bright. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up into the sky. Skipping, skipping like a kite. Jack jump over the apple pie. Jack be nimble, Jack be jump, jump, Jack jump. Jack is happy, Jack is bright. Every leap is leaping right. Jack be nimble, Jack be jump. Jack be nimble, Jack be light. Way, way up into the sky. Tumbles up and touches down, landing like a butterfly. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up into the sky. Jack be nimble, Jack be jump, jump, Jack jump. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be spry. Jack jump over the apple pie. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up into the sky. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. 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 Jack be nimble, Jack be.
All right, that was our Jack be nimble. That was our nursery rhyme this week. Now let's take a look at our letters. We've done the letter, what letter is this? L. What's this one? F. And E. This letter is H. What does H say? Put your hand up in front of your mouth and breathe out. Excellent. This one is T. I know you know that one. And our letter last week was, or the week before, I. This week we're working on the letter U. U says, So when your mom says, go clean your room, you go, You're making the letter U sound. So U is the beginning letter for umpire. An umpire in a baseball game would tell you you're out. Or soccer or football, they'll tell what's going on, tell the players what to do. And this thing is an umbrella. Let's see if my video works. Or what does an umpire sound like? He says, You're out! There you go. All right, it's time to build our letter. Let's sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Stand it up and let's reach up. Start your letters at the top. If you want it better, better, the top. Ready, let's get dancing. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Reach up. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top, going down. No, it's the bottom. Right in the middle and shake it. No, it's the middle. Reach it up high. Top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Let me get some ahs. Ah. Ready? Reach it up nice and high. Way up. At the top. Yes, at the top. Reach out and touch the top. Let's go down. All the way down. Remember, we're not sitting. We're just squatting down. Touching that bottom. This is the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up. Bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you stretch your letters? At the top. Give me your ahs. I can't hear you. Louder. Do you stretch your letters at the top? Or do you stretch your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. Show me that bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up. Excellent job, friends. All right, we're making the letter U. Now, the letter U, we have just one piece that we have to follow. Let's see if this is here and grab it. There it is. The letter U. Make it a little smaller. Fit on Mr. Matt. There it goes. All right. I'm going to take off my star because the letter U is not a center starter. It actually starts under Mr. Matt's smiling face. There we go. Just a little smaller. There we are. It's got to fit underneath his face. All right, so it's going to be my turn. I want your listening ears on, inside voices off. Your hands in your lap, listening ears on, my turn. I'm going to start at the top under Mr. Matt's smiling face, my turn, and I say, big line down, turn, big line up. All right, my turn again. I'm starting under Mr. Matt's smiling face, and I say, big line down, turn, big line up. See how when Mrs. Mozingo is saying it, my pointer is right where I am. I'm saying big line down, but I'm not turning until I say the words turn. And now I say big line up and my cursor goes up or my finger goes up. Do it with me, fingers at the top. Excellent. Let's say it together. Here we go. Big line down, turn, big line up. What letter did we make together? It is the letter U. And what does U say? Go clean your rooms. That's the letter U sound. Excellent. Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Here we go. Starting at the top, we say, big line down, turn, big line up. And what letter did we make? U. And what does U say? Let me hear ya. Excellent job. All right, Mrs. Hill is going to read some Easter books today, so I hope you come back and listen to that story. I miss you, Abby, Ashton, Cartrell, Carter, Juan, Drayshawn, Lucas, Ian, James, Trent, and Zayden. We miss you. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.